Hi, I'm John. Here's a little video on how to quickly load LUTs into the Sony FX9. First thing, get your memory card. The camera is not very fussy actually about what sort of SD card you use. Pop that in. Menu, this is under the standard user menu, Format Media, Format Utility SDMS, Execute, Execute. And that's going to format the card with the menu structure that the FX9 needs to see in order to load LUTs into it. Okay, so that's done. Out of the menu, pop the card out, and if you have a really trendy old style Mac with an SD slot, you can just pop it in there. Otherwise you'll have to use a reader. Open up the memory card. In there you'll find the file private Sony Pro LUT. So you'll see already this is different to the FS7 menu structure, so you have to do it differently. So let's just grab any old LUT. I've got an Alexa X2 LUT here. I'm going to drag that into the LUT folder. Eject the memory card out into the FX9. And that really is almost it, but the stuff is not in the menu in the same place. With the FS7 it had a file menu. This does not. Instead, it's in the shooting menu, and you have to go right the way down to Monitor 3D LUT, Load SD card, and you can see I've already loaded a load of LUTs into this FX9. I'm going to go down to an empty one, number 8 for example, click on that, and then it shows you what's on the SD card. Hit that, OK, load that cube LUT into position 8. OK, there we go, and now it's in there. So in order to make that work, we have to be in Cine EI mode. Then we're going to go back to shooting, down to monitor LUT, and you can select it then from there. So category user 3D LUT, then you can select the ones you've loaded in. So let's go down to 08 Alexa XT2 LUT, and now that is selected. And you can see there from the viewfinder display that if you've got that bit enabled, that Alexa X2 LUT is now loaded in and active. It can either be on the outputs or baked in to the footage recorded in the camera. So really useful, and that's how to quickly load LUTs into the PXW-FX9.